The German Shepherd dog is one of the most recognizable and beloved breeds in the world. Known for their intelligence, loyalty, and versatility, German Shepherds excel in many roles. From police work to search and rescue, they are always up for a challenge. They have a double coat that can come in a variety of colors, with the most common being black and tan. German Shepherds are quick learners, making them easy to train. They are loyal companions, devoted to their families and protective. However, they are not naturally aggressive and are good with children. These intelligent dogs need a lot of mental stimulation, regular training, and a variety of toys to play with. If you're looking for a loyal, intelligent, and versatile dog, then the German Shepherd may be the right breed for you. The German Shepherd dog has a rich history. The breed originated in Germany in the late 19th century. They were originally bred to herd sheep, but their intelligence and trainability soon became apparent. One man played a key role in the development of the German Shepherd, Captain Max von Stephanitz. He developed a breeding program that emphasized intelligence, courage, and working ability. The German Shepherd quickly gained popularity and became a favorite breed of police and military units around the world. During World War I, German Shepherds served on both sides of the conflict as messengers, guard dogs, and rescue dogs. German Shepherds were introduced to the United States in the early 20th century and quickly became one of the most popular breeds in the country. Today, the German Shepherd remains one of the most popular breeds in the world, known for their loyalty, intelligence, and trainability. The German Shepherd dog is a large and powerful breed with a noble and dignified appearance. Their body is slightly longer than it is tall. German Shepherds are well-muscled and athletic, built for strength and endurance. The outer coat is dense and harsh, while the undercoat is soft and thick, providing insulation from the cold. The coat can come in a variety of colors, with the most common being black and tan. The German Shepherd's head is wedge-shaped with a slightly rounded forehead. The ears are medium-sized, erect, and set high on the head. The average male German Shepherd stands 24 to 26 inches tall at the shoulder and weighs 75 to 95 pounds. The German Shepherd is a well-proportioned and athletic dog, built for strength, speed, and endurance. The German Shepherd dog is renowned for its exceptional intelligence, unwavering loyalty, and remarkable versatility. Understanding their temperament and personality is key to building a strong and fulfilling relationship with these remarkable dogs. German Shepherds are highly intelligent dogs, ranked among the most trainable breeds. They are quick learners and eager to please, making them well-suited for a wide range of tasks and activities. Beyond their intelligence, German Shepherds are known for their unwavering loyalty. They form incredibly strong bonds with their families and are naturally protective. Despite their protective nature, German Shepherds are not inherently aggressive. With proper training and socialization, they can be gentle and loving companions. German Shepherds thrive on mental and physical stimulation, needing significant exercise and enrichment to stay happy and healthy.